Hey John, what's up? What? You want to sell after putting $40,000 in renovations? You want to sell for how much? Wait right there. I'm at parallel 49. I'll be less than a 5-minute walk. John, you crazy nut. What would have gone through your mind when you decided to list this beautiful place? I mean, this reno is immaculate. And look at these beautifully engineered hardwood floors. I mean, come on, John. How many apartments in this price range do you know that have south and west facing windows? Custom made cabinets, brand new laundry, dishwasher, stainless steel appliances. You are literally flushing this down the drain. Why are you so generous with your price, Mr. Doe? At least bump up the price for the Italian bathroom flooring you just added. What? John didn't tell me New Brighton Park was just a 4-minute drive away. John, what? You didn't tell me about New Brighton Park? What? 4 coffee shops? 3 breweries? 2 more parks within a 10-minute walk? This is crazy! Where are you right now? Stay right there. I'm gonna come to you and make you an offer in person. I'm Jessi Johnson with RE/MAX. Check out 138 Templeton Drive before I do. You would not want to miss the opportunity of a lifetime. While I have your attention, don't forget to follow or subscribe to us so I can send you more educationally entertaining real estate videos.